Hey everyone, this is Patrice with the Positivity Corner, and I'm back with yet another video, and we're still talking about the singer B.J. Thomas. This song right here is his best known song ever. It is one of the best known songs from the era, hands down. It was a monster hit. Went to number one, not only in the United States but in several countries around the world, and pretty much made B.J. Thomas a household name. I'm gonna talk about the song in some detail at the end. Right now I just want to play this because it's so well done. But I will say this, it was written by the iconic team of Burt Bacharach and Hal David, and it's for a film, Butch Cassidy and the Sundance Kid. 1969. B.J. Thomas with a classic. And this one is called Raindrops Keep Falling on My Head.
Raindrops are falling on my head, and just like the guy whose feet are too big for his bed, nothing seems to fit. Those raindrops are falling on my head, they keep falling. So I just did me some talking to the sun, and I said I didn't like the way he got things done, sleeping on the job. Those raindrops are falling on my head, they keep falling. But there's one thing I know, the blues they send to meet me won't defeat me. It won't be long till happiness steps up to greet me. Raindrops keep falling on my head, but that doesn't mean my eyes will soon be turning red. Crying's not for me, 'cause I'm never gonna stop the rain by complaining, because I'm free. Nothing's worrying me. It won't be long till happiness steps up to greet me. Raindrops keep falling on my head, but that doesn't mean my eyes will soon be turning red. Crying's not for me, 'cause I'm never gonna stop the rain by complaining, because I'm free. Nothing's worrying me.
Yeah, folks, that's one of the most recognizable songs from a film in history. 1969, B.J. Thomas with a Burt Bacharach, Hal Davis jam of a tune. Raindrops Keep Falling on My Head. I love the lyrics. I think the lyrics are great. They're just really positive. I just love it. As I said, it topped the charts, Billboard Hot 100. And actually, it came out in late 1969. It topped the charts in early 1970. And it also was #1 adult contemporary as well. By the middle of the 1970 year, it has sold over 2 million copies. Burt Bacharach won the Oscar for Best Original Score for Butch Cassidy and Sundance Kid, and Raindrops Keep Falling on My Head won the Best Original Song Oscar. So Burt Bacharach, he won 2 Oscars. Yeah. Very, very popular song. And someone else was offered the song first, not B.J. Thomas. And you know who it was? The country pop star Ray Stevens. He turned it down. And allegedly, Bob Dylan was also approached. He also allegedly declined. Hey, B.J. Thomas for the win, right? Yeah, it's just a great song. And in 2014, it was inducted into the Grammy Hall of Fame. And deservedly so. It's a damn classic. As always, this is Patrice with the Positivity Corner. If you like this video, please click the like button and share it. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell as well. I'll be back with another one from B.J. Thomas.